Hi friends, today I am going to talk about 5 mid-cap multi-baggers. Okay, 5 mid-cap multi-baggers means uh, now they are mid-cap, but maybe after 5 years all will be large cap. So from mid-cap to large cap means they are whatever they are right now capital, whatever the total market cap is, it will be minimum 10 to 50 fold. Then it will be a large cap. Okay, so see, if you see my earlier recommendations, Deepak Nitrate I recommended at 300 level. Now it is 2800. BPL, Graphite, Adani Enterprise, IRCTC, Tanla Platforms, Amtar Technologies. So many of the companies I recommended in last 6 to 12 months all turned into multi-bagger. See, if you want to invest for long term, at least for 5 year, not for 1 year or 6 months or something. 5 year to 10 years. So, like when you deposit any money into bank as a fixed deposit, so it's minimum 5 years, right? And you how much you are getting? You are getting 6%, 7%. So here, if you hold for 5 years, you will get at least 5 to 10 times. Okay, at least 5 to 10 times, but you have to watch their how they're doing, those companies are doing, how quarterly results they are delivering. So if there is any unwanted or any uncertain things happen, then you can, that time you can take a call to be there on that stock, or you can exit from that stock. Okay, so I will start from one of the recently came into market listed company, that is Clean Science and Technology. Okay, so this is if you see right now it's 24,000 crore. Uh, it's already to 24,000 crore, but see the company, if you see their products and how they have delivered in last 4 5 years. Okay, see, ROE is 45%, ROC is 60%. If you say their profit growth last 3 years, 60%. Their sales growth 28%. If you see the debt, no debt, zero debt. They have cash equivalent 15 crore and debt is 0.33 crore. That means they zero debt company. And it's this company, one of the chemical company which is producing chemicals without any pollution. So their technologies and pattern technologies are such a um, means progressive, or you can say refined, that the how they are creating or producing the chemicals without a lot of pollution. So they are already, that's why the name is also Clean Science and Technology. So this company, what I feel is, if you invest for at least 5 years, you will get 5 to 10 times minimum. See, 48.76 CAGR last 5 year, then it's almost debt free company. And if you see the quarterly results, okay, quarterly results, see the results, these are the yearly results. See how this is progressing. Okay, and see the operating profit margin. Okay, so it's day by day increasing. See, 51% operating profit margin. You can't believe. You can't see any other company which is delivering 51% profit margin. What I feel is, you can do SIP, or you can invest at least, I think, 20 to 50,000 for now. Then there is quarterly result coming, I think, in a 10 days or something. So you can watch their result as well, and based on that you can decide. But see, everything is good in this company. See, promoters holding 94.65, only 4.58 with public. So better to buy now. Okay, so this is the first company, Clean Science and Technologies. If you go to the website of their company, this is the website. You can go through their website and see what are the chemical they are producing and how many patents they have, how many clients they have. So based on that, you can decide you are going to invest it or not. Okay. So second company I will go. This is called Tanla Platform. Okay, Tanla Platform. They are already in cloud, and you know all software companies, whatever they are moving on premises, whatever they have data center on premises, applications, servers, they are moving into cloud. Why they are moving into cloud? Because it is cost effective, it is 100 per always available. Scalability, you can scale whatever whenever you time, like some company, e-commerce company, in festive season they want to increase their servers, and other season they want to decrease their servers. So it's in cloud, it's very easy to do that. So this company is working on cloud platforms, they are delivering services on cloud platform. So this Kerala platform has a very bright future. Okay, see, now also if you see their sales growth last 3 years, 43%, profit growth 176%. It's now only 12,000 crore company. Okay, it's not like TCS who is having 15 lakh crore companies. So see, if it multiple into 10, it is 1 lakh crore company. So within 5 years, it will at least give you 10 times return. Okay. Debt on equity, see, zero. Why zero? Because they have cash equivalent 584 crore and only debt they have 4 crore. Okay. And if you want to go more details, you can check their website as well. Okay. You can go to their website. Okay. They are how they are nurturing cloud, how they are transforming all on-premises solutions into cloud. Okay, so so these are the future companies, and I think better to see the chart pattern. It's you can say consolidating from long time. Now once it jump, it will jump. You can't get it. Every day it will go 10% up, 10% up like this. Okay, so say 107% CAGR last 5 year. Okay, so this is I think you need to get it now, and see the profit also increasing quarter by quarter, is increasing. Operating profit margin is also very good, 21%. Okay, and then if you go to promoters holding, see, here there is promoter holding is not more than 50%, but yeah, they have DII and FII. So everyone is investing on this, means they know, right? They have a big research team, they do research company, how company will do. So I think you should go for it, Tanla platform. Third company, I'll say this is power, from power sector, Tata Power. Okay, Tata Power, you know how power sector will go. Power sector was not grown that much like other sectors grown. So I think coming 1 to 2 years, it will grow like anything. Okay, see Tata Power share in last mm, uh, I think 3 weeks. It is every day it's increasing. Every day it's increasing. Okay, so it's if you see ROC, ROE, these are okay, not bad. Okay, not bad and not too much good, too good also. But this will give you bumper return. Okay, they are they Tata Power is creating lot of solar plants. Okay, and this is the company what I feel is India, which will uh, means this is the one of the outstanding power company. Okay, and if you see this, there also FIDI, everyone has holding on it. So Tata Power, I think it will grow like anything. Till in coming 5 years, it will also give you multiple returns. So next company, one small cap company, that is Black Rose Industry. This is also a specialty chemical company, but it will very good company. Okay, so if you see, this is not much expensive, P35, and ROC and ROE is also good, more than 30%. Okay, profit is more than 30%, very good. Okay, and debt and debt 16 crore, cash 7 crore. So debt is not much, so it's, you can say, debt free company. This is also debt free company. Okay, so they are engaged in business of textile manufacturing as well. Okay, and they are in specialty chemical as well. So this is also, if you see the chart pattern, it's not till now, it's not increased. So now, if you see other companies, they already in 1 year they already increase more than 2 times or 3 times also, few companies. But few companies, good companies, which is not yet moved. Okay, so these companies will grow. Within 6 months, you will see this will be more than double. Okay, what I predict. But whenever you invest, you just go through again, do some research, and check with, if you have financial advisor, check with them, then you invest. So you see, profit growth 77.9 last 5 years. Okay, it's reducing debt. It's and expecting good quarter as well. Okay, so this is also, if you see quarter by quarter, quarter by quarter, profit is also increasing, sales is also increasing. Here promoter growth is very good, 75%, and public with public 24%. FI is 0.13. I think FI, when FI DII will start buying on this stock, so this stock also will grow. Okay. So BlackRock, so you can go to their website and checks all the details, like how they are. So whenever I do invest, I go through their website, their product, and check how these products are actually growing or not, and how they are exporting to other countries or not. So these are the multiple factors I see. Okay, so then next and last, fifth company, what I feel, this is the newly listed. It's not newly listed. Actually, it's came from the demerger. So Megamoney Organics. So it, if you see from Megamoney, it is demerged, and it's created new company, and from then it's started increasing. Okay, and it is one of the specialty chemical, and it will be grow like anything, because whatever non-farming performing assets move to Megamoney Organics, and this fine team will, what I feel is, it will grow. That we don't have, see the result. 394, 392, 598, 710, 610. It's growing. Okay. If you see, 394 has sales in 2016, 2000, it's more than double. Okay. See, operating profit also very good. 32% operating profit means it's very, they are doing very good. Okay. And don't have promoters information here in screener, but yeah, I feel these are the whatever I told, 5 companies. You can invest in those companies for long term, and you will get very good return. Clean Science Technologies, Tanla Platform, Tata Power, Black Rose Industries, and Make Money Fine Gems. Okay. So if you like my video, just click like and subscribe my channel. So then you will get all my updated videos. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.